All right, so basically it's just a leaky faucet. So it shouldn't take any more than a couple of, hold up. Is that a jetted tub? A lavender bubble bath? Scented candles? Okay, so this thing is gonna take all afternoon to fix, all right? And I'm gonna have to work in complete and total privacy, all right? Okay, watch out. Go. Oh, snaps. I have no idea what is wrong with that water heater, but now it is flooding everywhere. So are you paying with cash or check? No, y'all should have called animal control for this little beast. I can't get rabies again. You going right back in there. Okay. Moment of truth. I had no idea you could take this off. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. What in the Sam Hill? Toilets are crazy on the inside. You can keep fishing here. Don't come in. I'm plumbing. If you slid a plate of cheese under the door, I would not be mad. You will not best me or Poseidon. You got to learn today. This garbage disposal is really jammed. Okay, if I just. Oh, no! That would have been stupid. Okay. And maybe if you had another apple cinnamon candle. Please subscribe, like, and share this video if you liked what you saw. Comment below with which profession we should do next. And I'm gonna finish this book now because stuff is going down.